The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartwatch releases of 2025, especially after a series of credible leaks revealed major upgrades across the board, from a newly enhanced display and breakthrough performance sensors to completely redesigned health tracking features that rival even dedicated medical devices. If you thought the Fenix 7 Pro series was close to perfection, think again. The Fenix 8 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It represents a strategic leap forward in Garmin's premium multi-sport smartwatch lineup. From military-grade durability to AI-enhanced tracking, this is a wearable made not just for athletes but for explorers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates, who demand more than just step counting. Let's dive deep into what the leaks have uncovered so far, starting with perhaps the most exciting change, the display. For the first time in Fenix history, Garmin is reportedly introducing an ultra-bright AMOLED display to the Pro variant, similar to what we saw in the Epix 2 but with a twist. The leaked specs suggest that this new panel is transflective hybrid AMOLED, which means it delivers vibrant color detail in low light while still remaining readable in direct sunlight, something many AMOLED watches struggle with. This is a game changer for outdoor athletes and hikers who train or explore across varying environments. Unlike standard AMOLED or MIP displays, this hybrid approach preserves battery life while unlocking true clarity for map navigation, widgets, and in-depth performance data. Additionally, Garmin is reportedly trimming the bezels slightly and opting for a tougher sapphire crystal lens, making the Fenix 8 Pro's screen more immersive and more rugged at the same time. Moving to the hardware, leaks indicate that Garmin is planning to use an upgraded chipset that leverages ARM Cortex-A78 cores paired with a neural processing unit. In real terms, this means smoother UI animations, faster GPS lock-in, real-time health analytics, and a more responsive experience overall. A major leap over the slightly sluggish performance of the Fenix 7 Pro. In addition, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to pack double the onboard storage, with 32 GB becoming the new standard, allowing users to store more maps, music, and data offline. For those who use Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music integrations on Garmin's platform, this means freedom from your phone during long outdoor adventures. What's even more exciting are the secret features quietly hidden within leaked firmware code, which insiders claim are currently under closed beta testing. One such feature is blood glucose trend monitoring, not real-time diabetic measurement, yet, but a predictive tracker based on HRV, stress levels, skin temperature, and SpO2 metrics. Another major leak reveals the inclusion of skin hydration tracking, which uses a combination of galvanic skin response and temperature differentials to give hydration status feedback in real time. For endurance athletes, this could be a revolutionary tool. Hydration is just as critical as heart rate when performing over long distances. Garmin's smart hydration alerts, introduced subtly with the Venu 3, may now become much more intelligent and personalized on the Fenix 8 Pro. On the software side, Garmin is reportedly introducing a new training load 3.0 system that incorporates not just your VO2 max and heart rate zones, but also your neuromuscular fatigue, oxygen recovery rate, and even sleep stage-weighted readiness. This level of detail was previously reserved for medical-grade analytics or high-end platforms like Whoop, but Garmin is now making it native and real-time. Moreover, sleep tracking has been revamped entirely, with deep